Lane Marie here, back with another YouTube video. I hope everyone is staying safe and everything. Those who are going outside, those who are still working, keeping you in our thoughts. So, in my last video, I had talked about how I was staying home and I was gonna try and do some wig reviews, but then I was like, I'm gonna do something a little bit different. To let my hair breathe. Definitely take the opportunity right now to just put lots of oils and condition my hair a lot. I'm growing my hair out. I had done a big chop like 3 years ago and I just kept chopping it up. So now, I had actually wanted to do passion twists for like a long time. I had looked into it last summer. I was going to Costa Rica, but I didn't know how to do them and I was not paying $200 to get them done. So I took the opportunity now and I watched a lot of YouTube videos and I found like my own way to do them. This is them now, this side from from here to the side. These are about a week old, and then this little tiny piece here, I actually just redid it. So stay tuned and I'll show you how I actually found a different way to install them. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys that it is very simple to take it out, that you don't have to worry. So you just, untwist from the bottom, and literally when you get to the top, you take out the little bit of braid that's done, and you can see that it'll just literally slip right out your hair. So here I'm just trying to show you that I used the Pure All Natural Lock and Twist Gel. My mom has sister locks and she had bought this for herself for her flyaways and it didn't work. So she actually let me have it so I could do the passion twist, and it super came in handy. Okay, so it's very simple. You're literally braiding your hair into the passion twist, but you're keeping a 3-strand. So you're mixing your hair with one part of the passion twist, keeping your hair by itself in the middle, and then the hair with the passion twist on the other side. And you'll use all 3 to lock them in together. You have to keep your fingers very tight to make sure the hair doesn't slip, because then if you don't keep that tightness, when you're finishing twisting at the end, you will see that it'll be so loose at your root that the hair will slip out in like a day or two. So now that I start twisting, I just add a little bit more of the lock and twist gel to make sure that my hair kind of just sinks into the passion twist and doesn't end up sticking out later on. And then that's it, you just simply twist into the end. For the love of sweet Jesus, ignore my singing. I don't know what sounds worse, me singing regular or it sped up. So I just slowed this part like super down so you can just see like what I mean about how I hold the hair to the side and how tight I really hold it. It does not damage your roots, anything like that. It will be loosened. You won't have a headache. Trust me, it'll all be fine. It's just for that part, for it to be tight so it could really last you. I don't know about you guys, but this is where I start to really struggle and just be so desperate to finish when you're getting to the very end. Ugh. Don't mind my cat in the background. I figured if maybe I left my bedroom door open and I did the video in my living room, they would go hang out in the bed, but you know, of course not. They want to be in the YouTube videos all the time. So the hair that I'm wearing right now, I actually got from a friend of mine. She had about 3.5 packs. She had bought it off of Amazon from a company called Dorsanee. So I had assumed that it wouldn't be enough, so I actually went to their page and I got 6 packs of Passion Twist 18-inch Bohemian Curl Water Rave in a T1B gray for $46.99, which really isn't bad. The only reason why I'm not too fond of this hair, if you look in the reviews, they have great reviews. They have 4.5 stars, but I had seen some reviews for the gray hair, and I saw that some people liked it, and some people said that it had like a baby doll look and feel to it, and yeah, it definitely does. I'm not sure if maybe the other colors are a little better quality hair. I wouldn't say that the hair is. It's always something, I swear. Just got a delivery from Amazon, of course. Have a little bit of a shopping problem right now. But anyway, as I was saying, the hair is not really bad quality because, so when I installed it, the only product that I have touched this hair is the lock and twist that really I use to blend my hair more so into it and to like keep, you know, like my edges trying to be like sleek. So I didn't put mousse, I haven't put anything, I haven't sprayed water. I have like a tendency to, you know, really not take good care of hair sometimes. So the first like 2-3 days I was like, yeah, I'm gonna sleep with like it wrapped up. My mom even gave me that she uses for her sister locks, but she has extras. It's like a little pouch. I was putting the Passion Twist inside, putting a cap over it. Yeah, no, no. All I've been doing is putting a satin wrap on like my perimeter, my edges, and you know, sleeping on my little satin pillow. That's it. I sleep with it loose. I sleep with it in a bun. I wrap it up. I've been in the rain. Yeah, no. So it is a good fiber. It's just, I will try another color just to see, but I don't know if you can like see. Yeah, you could see like in the camera how it picks up. It looks like a little odd. You see it? I don't know. It's just it's a little weird. It's like a little weird looking texture. I'm not too sure what's up with that, but you know, we can't expect too much. It is good quality and whatever. It came with like some little jewelry that I'm not using. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, no, not putting that on. It also came with a crochet hook that I also didn't use because I did it my method. No, I didn't use any of those things. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will leave a link for the hair in the description section. You guys can check out the reviews yourself. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys continue to stay safe. See you next time. Bye.